In the heart of the Renaissance, a man named Andreas Vesalius, a brilliant scholar of medicine and anatomy, embarked on a journey that would forever change the course of medical education. Born in Brussels in 1514, Vesalius displayed a keen interest in the human body from an early age. His thirst for knowledge led him to the University of Padua, where he would lay the foundation for his groundbreaking discoveries. The year was 1537, and the prevailing knowledge of the human body was based largely on the works of Galen, a Roman physician from the 2nd century. However, Vesalius suspected that much of Galen's work was based on flawed assumptions and animal dissections. With unwavering determination, Vesalius began to dissect human bodies, a practice shrouded in controversy and forbidden by the Church. His daring actions were met with resistance, but his passion for truth remained undeterred. In 1543, Vesalius published his magnum opus, De Humani Corporis Fabrica Libri Septem, on the fabric of the human body. This 7-volume work, illustrated with stunning accuracy, revealed the intricate details of the human anatomy, discrediting many of Galen's theories and establishing Vesalius as the father of modern anatomy. His work revolutionized medical education, paving the way for future generations of physicians to base their understanding of the human body on accurate, first-hand observations. Vesalius's contributions continue to influence medicine today, over 470 years after his death in 1564. In the face of adversity, Andreas Vesalius bravely challenged the status quo, transforming the field of anatomy and leaving an indelible mark on the annals of history. His tireless pursuit of knowledge serves as a reminder that curiosity and determination can indeed change the world.